Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about a simple process you can use to help you get traffic to your affiliate links. A process that I'm certain will massively increase your chances of success as an affiliate marketer. Just to be absolutely clear, when I say traffic, I mean getting people to click on your affiliate links. There are indeed many platforms where you can go to get traffic: Facebook, Google, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, solo ads, to name a few. Traffic is very important, and it's something people often struggle with, but without traffic, you're never going to get your affiliate business off the ground. In today's video, I will reveal what I consider to be the best approach for anyone starting out as an affiliate marketer when it comes to getting traffic for your affiliate business. This approach is also one that anyone who has so far struggled to get results should take on board. I will also reveal what I consider to be the best source of quality targeted traffic. But before we get on to all of that, I would like to very quickly welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. So if you enjoy today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. Okay, let's move on to today's topic: how to massively increase your chances of success as an affiliate marketer with this simple traffic strategy, especially if you're just starting out. When it comes to traffic, there are basically 2 main types: free traffic and paid traffic. Now, although we say free traffic, all traffic actually has a cost. With free traffic, the cost is your time, and time is valuable. With paid traffic, the cost is money. When first starting out with your online business, funds may be low, so you may want to concentrate on free traffic to begin with. And once you start seeing some success and you feel you're ready to scale and grow your business, you can look to move into paid traffic. That's not to say you cannot get a lot of traffic using purely free strategies. There are people who do very well using only free traffic, but they are prepared to put in the time and effort. But always remember, all traffic comes at a cost. With free traffic, it's your time, and with paid traffic, it's money. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there are numerous platforms where you can go to get traffic, but there's no need to try all these platforms. Indeed, that would be a bad idea, especially when starting out. The fact is, any one of these platforms can provide you with more than enough traffic. The key to being successful is to choose one platform, for example Facebook, and then focus on mastering that. Learn all you can about Facebook advertising and apply what you learn. If you're using paid traffic, then start slowly with a small budget and begin testing. Only increase the budget when you start seeing some success. Now, something I would suggest is using a platform that suits you. For example, if you're comfortable on video, then you might consider YouTube as your platform of choice. But if you hate being on video, this may not be your best choice. One tip my mentor always suggested was having one form of free traffic and one form of paid traffic. Whatever platform you decide to use as your method of getting traffic, please remember, consistency is the key. Nothing works if you're not consistent. That's why it's important to choose one method to begin with and stick with it. What you should not do is try a little Facebook advertising, try a little YouTube advertising, and try a little Instagram advertising. Hopping from one method to the next will almost certainly mean you'll struggle. Most people who are successful will choose one traffic strategy and stick with it until they see some success. Remember, consistency is key. Don't spread yourself too thin. Pick one method and master it. At the beginning of this video, I said I would reveal my favourite source of high quality targeted traffic. Well, that source is YouTube. Every day there are literally millions of searches online from people looking to learn how to make money online, and YouTube is a source they will use to learn from. As an example, when you advertise on a platform such as Facebook, people are not actively seeking what you are promoting. They are more than likely on Facebook scrolling around, and you need to interrupt what it is they're doing and try and catch their attention with your advert. Now with YouTube, it's different. People on YouTube are actively seeking how-to videos. So when they come across your video that is showing them how to do something they're actively looking for, then they're much more likely to pay attention. For this reason, YouTube is an excellent source of high quality targeted traffic. Okay, well hopefully today's video has given you something to think about when it comes to getting traffic for your affiliate offers. Traffic is one of the 4 core areas you need to focus on when looking to grow a successful affiliate business. You see, successful affiliate marketing can be dwindled down to just 4 core areas of focus. 1, traffic, 2, email list building, 3, following up, and 4, sales system or making offers. You may well have heard about some of these and maybe all of them, but it's how you apply them that really matters. If you want to learn more about these 4 steps, then check out the link in my description just below this video and you'll discover how you can get access to a free online training video where my partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will go into more details about these 4 steps and how you need to apply them to grow a profitable affiliate business. I strongly advise you to take a look at this video. It's free, there's no cost. All you need to do is click the link below this video and register for the free training video. If you enjoyed today's video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video as I do appreciate your feedback. And don't forget, make sure to go below and click the link and watch the free training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.